Welcome to the Traders Market Intelligence Report brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. And this update is for Monday the 12th of June 2023. Man, the month is flying by. Hope you're having a great day. Hope it was a good trading week for you. The market's just wrapped up. So let's go ahead, jump on in and see what the heck is going on. So this chart is only showing us up and through yesterday's closing price. And you can see over the last week, we pushed up hard, right? That was on Friday of last week, 1 week ago today. And then we got into this rectangle. I've talked a lot about this in the last week. And today we finally got a little bit of a break out of there. We're going to go take a look and see just what the heck is going on with it. But we want to look first at the VIX. Actually, you know what? No, let's go right over to TradeStation and we'll come back to VIX in a moment. So we look at the S&P. You can see the entire fib. Before I move off of it, here's our V bottom up to our V top. There is our 4181 level. That white line is the top of the fib line. And here is the rectangle that we had been in, right? So now if we get rid of that and kind of bring it on in, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. All right, there we go, okay? So you can see we had this little bit of a rectangle thingy going on there. Let me grab a rectangle thingy. And we broke out of it today. We pushed up into the negative 272, which is 43.12, right? We stretched through it a little bit. We came back into the rectangle and then bounced and closed higher than our rectangle. Barely, but we're on the outside of that rectangle now. So there is some bullishness about it. I did announce a week ago in Pop that we are looking to start adding swing trades back to the mix. We've got to have the right setup and the right structure and all of that to take it. But I like the condition of the market right now. We'll see what happens comes the 14th of June and what comes out of Powell's mouth as far as coming up in the future. You know, future notices of what's going to take place with the Fed rate. Are we hiking? Are we done? Do we hear a clear signal that we're done? Do we hear a clear signal that we think the worst is behind us? We haven't heard that yet. And in the last couple of weeks, we've actually ticked up the chance of having a rate hike again, which were almost nothing originally. And that's a lot of the Fed members talking about, well, and maybe even if we didn't do one, that doesn't mean we're halting. Don't take it that way. And Powell said the same thing. So we really have to see where it all lands, okay? So overall, S&P 500, very bullish with the overall move that we've made. Again, if we go back here and look at the S&P 500 yet one more time, I like the white background. I like the crispness of this chart. Good, strong moves up. You know, a little jagged on the way up here, but overall very nice. And, of course, Thursday, Friday of last week were magnifique. They worked wonderful. Okay, now if we go over and look at the VIX, the VIX, you know, and the song is, and the rain went down, 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 right? And that's what the heck is going on with the VIX. I mean, as of yesterday, we're at 1365 on the VIX. Today, we have a whopping 1390 on VIX. Let's go bring it out a little bit. It's a daily chart. Yeah, that's what I want, daily. Okay, there you go. Now you can get a little better view of overall of how we've been. So, you know, we hovered for a while here around this 16-ish level. We broke down and we're sitting right, you know, just shy of that 14. We're at such a phenomenal level as far as cost, as for buyers, for what we're doing right now. We're talking about buying positions. Phenomenal. Sellers, you've got to work a little bit harder to find good premium, but they're still out there. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it. And remember, you're just one trade away. Take care, and I will see you all in our next update. Bye for now.